So today, well, I already started because I totally forgot about it. But we're replacing the lower control arm on the Z. Because those bushings are bad. So we're gonna replace them with just the stock ones off the 07Z. So that's what I'm doing today. Already got the pin out. I get these things out. We'll see. So, got it out. That's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be solid like this. So, I'm gonna put this one in and see how it works out. And it's done. And hopefully that doesn't kill me, because I guess it's the wrong, whatchamacallit, that thing. So I should have pulled that one out, switch it to that one. But, oh, this is only temporary, you know, so hopefully it works for a little bit. Until I can order the gktech ones to replace this. So it's not permanent, just waiting for parts to come in. So here at Kyle's house, my friend Kyle's house, I'm gonna put these bushings in, the gktech bushings, and we're gonna fix this rim because it likes to take out air. I'll show you how to do that after, but we're gonna switch out the bushings, put the original ones back on. So, here we go. Okay, that was crazy. Anyways, here at PhD HHQ, my friend Kyle's house, shop at that house shop backyard awesomeness. Right hand drive 240 truck in the works. Huh? Oh, thanks. Uncracked, but there's a hole in that dash. Yeah, it's an uncracked dash, but there's a hole in the dash. It's an uncracked dash, but there's a hole in the dash. Stop. I'll set it with fast time lapse. Let's push that one up. Every time I go under here, I duck my head. And this is what happens when you go in a little bit crooked. I don't need all that pieces there. Want to try to push it down more then? Ooh, hella flush. Yay, flush. The part that turns is only on the inside anyway. You don't need the outside. There's the little slip bumps. There you go. Okay. All right, they're in. They work. Oh, they're gonna work. I gotta switch it out. wonder if I was supposed to do it a certain way also. Oh well, we'll find out. If not, then the gktech super lock lower control arms is what I'm getting next. But we'll see how this turns out. Alright. And now I gotta work on my rim because it keeps leaking air. My rim and tire. Hey Pops.